good morning and good afternoon and hello. I am preparing to making the organic garlicky spearmint pesto sauce, right? So this is very simple. So we have the certified, organic olive oil. Okay, so make sure you get the organic one, the certified one too, right? All right, and then certified organic garlics, okay, and of course organic spearmint, right? So you can use basil, but I just ran out of basil, so yeah, because spearmint you gotta be organic because they put so many pesticides and not only killing your body, but the nutrition wise, it's not good because 90% less than the organic ones, right? So make sure you get that. Okay, and macadamia nuts because I just ran out the organically certified pine nuts, right? So, and then a cellulose-free Parmesan cheese. So you can use any other cheese, but make sure it doesn't have the cellulose because cellulose are made from sawdust. All right, so do your own research, not because I'm saying, okay? So, and I just ran out of spaghetti or linguine, so, but the fusilli, the organically certified, all right? So I'm not gonna show you how to cook the pasta, but I'm just gonna show you the spearmint pasta sauce, right? The pesto puree, right? So now, what's the benefits of using garlic and spearmint combined? Because first of all, garlic itself has so many phytonutrients, right? Vitamins and minerals like vitamin C or selenium, all right? So you can do your research. And spearmint has antibacterial properties. Oh, of course, garlic, as well. But so both of them basically have anti-oxidization agents, antibiotics, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammations, right? So yeah, the more you eat these healthy stuffs, it's the better for your body. Okay, so now garlic, I prefer you let it grind it, right, for the food processor, right? So for many seconds, because the more you get mixed with the air, the allicin increases. Allicin is the one that has antimicrobial or bacterial properties into it. So let it sit for at least 30 seconds, but ideally 30 minutes. But okay, let's start. So normally I put maybe 2 or 3 cups, but you can use just 1 cup. Okay, so it's some organically certified olive oil. It tastes so good, right? Then so garlic, right? You just put it in. It's simple. A simple, ancient, classical sauce, right? Because of course the real one they put holy basil. I mean just basil. Excuse me. Yeah, but and then you can make it anything, anything legit, right? So it's so simple. I mean anybody can do it. Yeah, that's why I'm showing you. All right, so. Because this is, so to speak, the detox pasta sauce. Or you can put that in a smoothie. And then those of you cannot eat cheese because you're vegetarian or something, you can try with the puree, not guacamole, but what was that? Avocado. Yeah. All right. And then cheese. Right? Yeah. Either you put cheese, cellulose-free cheese, or avocado, right? Yeah. You can put some yam, the Japanese or Chinese yam. Yeah, because I love cheese, so I can put a lot. Yeah, that's what I've been putting, right? So, yeah, all right. Why I'm so slow today? It doesn't matter. Yeah. No, I don't. Yeah, let's put them all. Put them all, sucker. Yeah. Yeah. Because we need to keep our nutritious value high, because we're on a bad season, right? Because the all the pandemic is going on. So while we are trying to find the real cure, we need to stay healthy. All right, so okay then. Why don't I drill some more oil once again? Yeah, I mean, yeah. Then I just ran out of lemon juice. So what I'm going to use is the you want to preserve this, but you don't want to put it in the refrigerator for more than a day. You probably want to eat ASAP. So I'm just going to use the certified organic jalapeno sauce. Okay, so USDA and also Japanese certifications, right? Yeah, because so this is pretty much organically certified, all of them. Yeah, cheese, I'm not sure, but check, okay? So, all right, let's do it. All right, Mr. Machine, let's do it. Whoa, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna add some more mint, okay? So, hold on a second. Okay, I think you're ready. So tastings. Yeah. All right. So here's how super smooth. Super smooth. Because you can use this for sandwich, not only pasta or grilled meat, fish, right? So I'm gonna taste them. Yeah. All right. Cheers. Perfect. All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers.